Okay, feeling a little sick right now. This is a 2004 Pontiac GTO. I just discovered some knocking, pretty bad knocking yesterday. It's a head cam car. I've had the cam for 20,000 miles. The head's for 8,000 miles. Let you take a listen and see if you can figure it out. Now, at first I thought it was this side, and I opened this up, all the lifters look fine, everything looked good over here. I listened to it more, and unfortunately I think it's coming, it sounds like it's coming from right down in here, down below. I haven't opened this side yet. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear it on this video. But it sounds like a metal on metal tick, 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 tick.